How to save your cooking gas. Welcome back to OJ's Health Kitchen. So I want to show you guys how I prepare my meat, because if there's anything that delays a woman in the kitchen while cooking, it's meat. If you're blessed to go to the market and buy a hard meat, you can boil your meat for like 1 hour, 30 minutes and so on. And at that point, time doesn't wait for anyone. So what I do is I prep my meat ahead of the week. So I want to show you guys one of the ways I do it. This is my goat's meat, and this is the one I want to prep and keep for the week. Maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't know. It depends on how much food I cook in the week. So guys, these are the seasoning and my ingredients that I'm going to use to prep this meat. This is my onion that goes in. Let's check our goat's meat boiling for the past 20 minutes. So this is what we get after 20 minutes. Is ready to be taken off the heat. So this is going off the heat now. Let me keep it here. I'll allow it to cool down properly, cool down totally, before I do my packings. Good morning, viewers. Today is Monday, and I pray that all of us will have a very wonderful weekdays in Jesus' name. So now I did the video yesterday night while I was prepping my meal for the week. I usually do that. And as time goes on, I'll let you guys into some of the preparation. You never can tell. It could be of help to someone. A working class mom, a working class wife, even a business woman that is always up and doing and busy. This method, I see it very helpful. So I decided to share with you ladies and guys, all my friends and loved ones. So now, the meat was boiled yesterday, but I had to leave it to cool down before I can do this. So this is the most interesting part for me. So all the stock is still intact in this meat, because as you can see, half a goat, this is the stock that came out of it. So it is not much. Most of the stock are still in. So don't think that the flavor of your goat meat, the flavor of your beef, your any source of protein that you do this way might get lost. It's not lost. Everything is still intact. So now, anytime I want to cook, like I might come home around 6:30, and maybe I don't want to eat any of the soup I have in my freezer, and I want to do maybe a quick fresh okra or fresh vegetables. I will not start boiling my beef all over and take maybe like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours before my meal is ready. So since I have this, all I need to do is just bring it out, toast it into a room temperature water or run tap through it, and then these things, it just come off and I put it in my pot, and then off I go. Within 30 minutes, highest 40 minutes, your meal is ready and you can go and rest. So that is how I do it, and this is it. You can decide to put your own in a freezer bowl like this and cover it, but this works for me and I prefer this one. So this one is a large chunk here. This might go, it might exceed 1 week, because there are other proteins that we use to cook apart from goat's meat. So this is how I do it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment in the comment section. Let's share ideas. Tell us how you prep your food, your beef, your everything. I usually have fun in my kitchen, and I decided to start sharing it with friends and family, well-wishers and fans out there. So I wish you a very blessed week, and may everything work in your favor. So at this point now, I'm going to draw the curtain and rush down to the office. From OJ's Health Kitchen, we love you. Don't forget to take care of your health, because your health is your wealth. Bye.